Fascinating facts about bird love and their unique mating rituals. Birds engage in elaborate mating dances, showcasing their beauty and strength to attract partners. Many species, like the nightingale, sing melodious tunes to impress potential mates during courtship. The bowerbird builds intricate structures, decorating them to entice females with their creativity. Lovebirds are known for their strong pair bonds, often seen preening and cuddling with each other. Some male birds offer gifts, such as food, to win over their mates, showcasing their nurturing side. Join us for more heartwarming nature stories.